Hey Miranda, visit us at www.globalmirandaminer.com. And all of us, let's get to see what we have soon in store. Our website is designed for you as a student to know what do we have to offer, what we discussed every day, and what are the things that we have in our courses. Let's try to look for all of our courses. We have Crypto Primer, Beginner Classes, Intermediate, Combo 1, Combo 2, Mentoring, Elite Package, and Corporate Booking. Let's try to click for the beginner class. Here you will see all of the details that you need to know bilang isang beginner student, the learning modules, requirements, etc. I look forward to seeing you and visiting our website for you to know our schedules and for you to become very, very profitable very soon. See you, Miranda. Very, very big news. So please go ahead. I don't want to steal the thunder from you. Floor is yours, my friend.
Thank you, Coach. Like just now, Coach mentioned, game guilds are an integral part of the GameFi scene right now. I mean, we all knew that YGG is really big, Axis is really big, but they kind of help each other become big previously, you see. So
right.
with more organized scholars and gamers and professional players coming into the scene, so that's the importance of guild. So all GameFi protocols want to work with established guilds, right? But there's only so many right now. Mm-hmm. And recently there's a lot of guilds that come out and say, hey, I'm going to be a esports guild, blah, blah, blah. But we know not all of them is as nice as they sound. But right now, we're going to be partnered with one of the best esports guild in the market. They are called Battle Arena. Right now, they are Southeast Asia's largest esports arena. They are based in Kuala Lumpur. The place is 70,000 square feet. And they have hosted hundreds of competition from PUBG to LOL, Dota. Team Secret visited them before being crowned. Mm-hmm. So it's very amazing. And all the prize money has paid out more than 3 million. And they have worked with all the established brands in the world. And they are going to come into the GameFi scene. And the first game that they choose to work with is Age of Tanks. Woo-hoo! So very, very fortunate to clinch this partnership with them. And we're going to announce it official next week. So we are expected to see a boost in the numbers, and not just numbers. They're going to bring in the esports resource into the GameFi scene. I'm Neo. I'm the founder and CEO of Age of Tanks.
I've heard a lot of great things about Age of Tanks, and you and I were talking offline. I'm very happy. This is the show that you chose to give us what's up and coming. The very first, and Neo, why don't you tell us about what is Age of Tanks and what is coming over the next couple of weeks?
Well, we have been in this for almost 6 months, and 6 months in the crypto scene is really, really amazing.
Okay, so why don't we go with the actual game itself, if you don't mind. There you go. Guys, I've tried the game myself. It's so easy. You see my name, it's Coach Miranda here. On start, and it's easy as that. Click on the actual first frame and it will count. There you go. And you see I'm already a player. I have a lot of tanks already. And guys,
and improve it.
Take a look at this. This is, oh wow.
Take a chapters and levels. There are 5 chapters with 5 different levels. So each chapter, the difficulty level is different. So it will reward you with different rhodium as well. So in more than 30 news as well. The Kalkan TV is from Australia. We were very honored to be interviewed by them.
Very good.
Yeah. So these are the that's already partnered with us.
This has been your man Stan. Join me for another day in our city of dreams.
Hi, Coach Miranda Minor. We talked a few times now before, but I didn't get to formally introduce myself back. So I'm good. I'm an airline pilot, and I'm elite university graduate, beginners class batch 21 and intermediate class batch 18. I'm also a former mentee of my high school classmate and barkada, si Mentor Luke. I want to take this opportunity lang to thank you, not only for teaching us a very safe and effective trading system, not only sa mga fundamental and technical analysis every night during live sessions, not only sa anatomy of fish and port creation ng intermediate class, but most importantly, I want to thank you, Coach, for teaching us good trading psychology na pwede rin i-apply in real life scenarios. Thank you always, Coach, for going the extra mile to help others, and sana huwag ka magsasawang tumulong sa community. And ayun lang. I love you 3,000 Coach, and shout out ko na rin yung buong Miranda community. I love you 3,000x Miranda, and magmahalan lang tayo at maging possible.
Kahit ano mangyari ka, Miranda, ipangako mo sa sarili mo, you will never give up on trading. You will continue learning. You will put your eyes on the road, eyes on the price, eyes on the target. Andito lang kami. I will help you. You will be successful. You are successful. Claim it. We are here to support you. Miranda, good news. We're actually live as well in Spotify. Commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako manghuhula analysis? I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business, and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader, and I have a millionaire mindset. Hey guys, this is Coach Miranda Minor, and welcome to our Technical Charting Thursday dito sa ating channel. This is Coach Miranda Minor. Kasama ko ang ating magagaling, magaganda, makikisig, magaganda, makisig at matitipunong mga mentors ng Gmmg. Si Kuya Dan, Kuya Aaron, Kuya Justin, Kuya Luke, Ate Rose, Ate Carla, Kuya Oliver, Kuya Alfie. Did I miss anyone? I think I got everyone already, no? Sino pa ba? I think that's it. Aaron, Alfie, Carla, Daniel, Luke, Jendi, Justin, and Oliver. Merong absent today kasi birthday, but I think mamaya I'm going to greet, no? But, nakita nyo ba itong t-shirt ko today? Nakita nyo yan? Maganda yan. T-shirt ko, nakita nyo. Yung aking sweatshirt, Texas. Texas today because it's a very, very special day for me. Napakagandang opportunity, and I would like to share that to all of you today. Alam mo, tagal ko nang namimiss mag-travel, and this opportunity came in again. And we're going to attend the CoinDesk Bitcoin Consensus dyan in Austin, Texas this June 7 and 9. Sorry, June 9 to 12. Pero I'll be there as early as June 7 up until June 14 para may panahon tayo mag-relax, no? Pangako ko sa inyo that I'm going to use this opportunity to do live interviews ng ating mga um, hinahanga ang mga guests, no? Hanapin ko si Michael Saylor. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi, hindi ako uuwi hanggang di ko nakita yung si Michael Saylor. Picture tayo dyan. And we're going to get all the big guests there in the CoinDesk consensus, no? There in US of A on June 7 to June 9 to 11 or June 9 to 12. I'm going to be attending for the conference for the purposes of representing the Filipinos, no, na alam natin kaya nating mag-cryptocurrency, no, at I'm going to promote the Gmmg community there. So wish me luck and wish me all the best on this endeavor. And napakagandang opportunity for all of us, no, including the global Miranda miner community. As a matter of fact, gusto ko lang hanapin ng sandali ang consensus na yan, you know? Kung ano ba yung mga topics dyan, because it's a very, very, very good opportunity for all of us, no? Opportunity for all of us. So, i-share ko lang ng mabilis. Ayan. You know, in Austin, Texas, I'll be there on June 9 to 12. The Festival of the Decentralized World. Yan. We're gonna be covering, yan, 15,000 attendees. No, napakarami. 15,000 attendees. Grabe. 4 days of experience. Hanapin ko si CZ. Edward Snowden will be there. Interesting. Cynthia Loomis, I will find this senator. Hanapin natin si Cynthia Loomis. Sino ba hanapin ko dito? Si CZ, si Sam Bankman-Fried, si Cathy Wood. Grabe, kinikilabutan tayo. I'll be looking for Cathy Wood. I'll be looking for every one of them. Yung mga hinahanap natin. Yan, sino pa ba? Mga kilala natin dito. So, mga favorite natin. Head of Grayscale, the parent company of CoinDesk. Of course, Charles Hoskinson, hanapin natin. Si Charles. No, we're gonna be looking for him. And so much more. I'll be there. I-represent ko ang ating global Miranda miner community. And please wish me all the best. From the time I travel on June 7 up until onwards, hanapin natin yung mga yan. And I'm going to be re-echoing what I learned. Guys. Lahat na matututunan natin. We actually got a very good pass because we're going to be, we will be able to, have an access on the Creator Summit, the Opening Night Party, the NFT galleries, the DAO House, Talent Hub, music performances, sport court, community experience. Pupuntahan ko lahat siya hanggang di na tayo matulog para makuha natin lahat ang napakagandang mga contents para po sa inyo. I'm going to be doing my live stream. Pero syempre, gabi yan doon or hapon yan doon, madaling araw yan sa Pilipinas. No? So kung magising pa kayo, pwede nyo akong abutan. Pero I'm going to be doing live from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So technically kung Central Time Zone, mga alas 8 alas 8 ng gabi hanggang alas 4 ng umaga yan sa Pilipinas, no? So again, join me as we kind of go through with all of this consensus event. And speaking of partnerships, let me just also mention, I can mention, wala naman akong NDA sa kanila. I'm going to be giving a talk with SM Development Corporation. I'm going to meet all of their senior vice presidents and vice presidents this month of April. So ipanalangin niyo yung ating conference na yan. I'm going to give them a cryptocurrency primer, and that is a taster's choice for their executives. I'm going to be also doing, announce ko na ngayon, no? I'm going to be doing let me just adjust my screen real quick. Alright, I was about to say this yesterday. I would just like to mention I'm going to have a collaboration with Tito Vlogs on May 6th, Friday. Oy, Tito Vlogs, maraming salamat sa iyo, sir, ha? So we're going to be talking about the stock market and yung aming perspektibo about cryptocurrency regulation in the Philippines. So, Tito Vince Vlog, yan. So, meron din siyang YouTube. Please subscribe to him, no? Napakagaling na tao niyan, no? So, nauna pa yan sa akin and I have a huge respect to the guy. So, I'm looking forward to meet you, Tito Vince, and usap tayo and I will have you in my show on May 6th. Tapos, meron din tayong another university collaboration. I'm going to be talking with Universidad de Manila and ito pa, no? I will have my very first on-site conference dyan sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines. I will be there. 3 linggo po tayo dyan, no? I'm gonna be their speaker. Maganda yan kasi magandang opportunity, no? I'll be talking in front of 200 engineering students, no? In the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Manila. I'll be there on Sundays, 3 Sunday ng May. Samahan niyo ako. I'll be talking about Bitcoin and everything about cryptocurrency all in one channel dyan sa PUP Manila. Ayun, napakaraming collaborations. I'm going to be also partnering with ayoko munang sabihin, no? We have not yet signed a discussion, but we are currently working with one of the biggest call centers in the Philippines and in the world. I'm going to be meeting all of their directors and their executives to talk about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Grabe. Talk about busy. Grabe, no? Sobra. May and June is gonna be really crazy, pero kailangan natin itong gawin to evangelize Bitcoin to the whole world. Maraming salamat sa mga nagmamahal at sa mga sumusuporta. Pinapangako ko sa inyo na kahit gaano tayo ka-busy, we're going to be delivering quality content for all of you for free. Ito yung mga pinag-uusapan natin today. And speaking of great content, please, support us. Sorry na miss namin ni partners Jendi yung Dear Coach kahapon kasi may kumakanta dun sa background ko. nasa ano po ako, nasa Pampanga po ako during that time. And i-promote ko lang din, guys, if you would like to buy this awesome t-shirt, napakagandang t-shirt, tingnan mo. Yan, no, 'di ba? Bitcoin I'm going to wear this sa conference. I'm going to wear the Miranda Minor t-shirts in Texas. Tatandaan yan. I'm going to be wearing these types of shirts. Papagmamalaki ko yung Gmmg t-shirts in the Texas conference. If you would like to get this new, napakaganda ng tela niya. You'd like to get this new shirt where it's available in Shopee, visit our Shopee store in Shopee, Miranda Minor store in Shopee. All right. Anyways, before I move on with our topic for today, napakagandang nangyayari kay Bitcoin for the past couple of days, no? But of course, I would not want to steal the thunder sa ating mga mentors. Alam ko na-miss nyo rin sila, na-miss natin sila because last week, hindi tayo nag-mentors live. It was actually my birthday celebration. So this week, marami kaming baon na information para sa inyo. Alright? Sa mga bago sa ating channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe and like our YouTube live for today. And sa mga matatanda na sa aming channel, please continue to like and share our YouTube live today para, alam mo, importante ito kasi may mga kaibigan kayo dyan na, alam niyo yun, you need to pay it forward, diba? You need to pay it forward, no? Someone reach out to you na makilala mo si crypto. Ngayon, alam mo na siya. Importante na i-reach out mo din at i-share mo ito proactively to your friends. Importante yun. You need to pay it forward. And I hope that you can pay it forward by sharing our channel to your friend para mag-subscribe sila. No, share our channel to your friend, and let them subscribe para ako na bahalang mag-orient, mag-educate. Basta tell them to tune in every night in our channel gabi-gabi at 9 o'clock. Alright? So with that said, I would like now to call on officially our mentors. Let me just call them. And of course, our program is brought to us by...
This program is brought to you by Gmmg, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you could find your next crypto gem and where trading is made easy.
All right. There you go. All right, mentors, we are all live for today. Kuya Luke, take it away.
Hello, hello. Good morning. Bago tayo magsimula, Coach, gusto kong batiin yung yung Gmmg kasi 1 year na. Yay!
Woohoo! We're 1
And,
year now.
Nag-celebrate kami last week. No? Bukod sa anniversary, first year anniversary ng ating community, birthday din ni Coach. So napaka-special nung mga araw na yun, no, last week. So grabe, parang kailan lang. Dati parang 100, 200 lang yung viewers natin, gabi-gabi. No? Tapos ang students sa university, kakaunti pa lang noon. Pero ngayon, grabe, sobrang daming blessings, sobrang daming opportunity, sobrang daming nating natutulungan ng mga kapwa nating traders. And hopefully, palaki tayo ng palaki. Happy 1 year anniversary.
Happy 1 year, guys. More years to come.
More years to come. Let's go. So, ayan. Welcome again, guys, sa ating Thursday Mentors Live, no? Technical Charting Thursday natin with our napakagaling ng mga mentors. No? So, bago tayo magsimula, baka meron kayong gustong batiin, guys.
Happy birthday to Kuya
Happy
Nel
birthday
as
to
well.
Mentor Nel. Trip to the moon.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nel.
Happy
Justin, baka pwede mo i-pop up yung picture ni Nel. Oo, batiin natin si Nel. Kaya rin siya wala dito ngayon, no?
Tama.
Nag-celebrate siya.
Kung nasaan ka man, diyan ka lang muna.
Ayun, ay grabe talaga yan.
Yan, no?
We wish you the success
Grabe
in
naman
Crypto the Moon. Crypto the
Woo,
Moon.
happy birthday!
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday!
Birthday,
Sana
Nel.
we made it over.
Parang lang, cover ng no? Music album.
All James ng GMMG
no?
yan.
Al James.
Truth.
Ayun, happy birthday, Mentor Nel. We wish you all the best. More profits to come. Ayan. So, ano ba yung chart natin ngayon? Actually, ano i-TTA natin ngayon, mentors? So, I think ang nasa listahan natin ngayon is si Bitcoin. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yan. Bitcoin, Luna, GMT, and NIR. So, bago tayo magsimula, baka meron kayong gustong batiin, mga loved ones ninyo,
Simulan ko na.
students
Ulit.
ninyo.
Yun na.
Damo na, Justin.
Unang-una, yung mga mentees ko, no? Yung mga yung mga tapos na at yung mga mini-mentee ko ngayon, no? And then, second, syempre, yung girlfriend ko, si Liza. Hello. Thank you for watching, always supporting me. Then, si third, chat ka pa eh. Tapos, yung lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, no? Enjoy kayo and then tignan nyo kung paano pa namin i-calibrate yung market. Kung paano kami mag-calibrate yung market. Yun, that's it sa akin.
Aaron, you wanna go next?
Yung binabati ko din yung aking special someone yan, si Ann Margaret. And si Sir Tonyo, yan, papabate. Siya ay aking mentee and ang aming team na Bitcoin Nation. Yan, binabati ko yung Bitcoin Nation na yan. Oh, hello guys and sa aking other mentees. Yun.
Yung Alfie?
Binabati ko din po ang aking mga mentee. Tsaka session kanina, kay Ma'am Chris. Tsaka kay Kuya Paul. And happy listening, guys. Yun lang.
Miss Rose, meron kang gusto batiin.
Happy birthday pala sa best friend ko. And
Si Nel?
shout out. Ay. birthday ni Mentor Nel. Siya, hi, happy birthday. And binabati ko rin din yung mga nanonood din po dyan sa Japan and mga taga Cebu. And sa Philippines na. Kamawa.
Okay. Kuya Dan,
Ang bawa.
nakamute ka. You're on mute.
Ayun, hello, good evening guys. Batiin ko lang batiin ko lang din lahat ng sa community. Hello sa inyo. So yung mga nakikinig ko na mga mentees ngayon, si Kuya mo Bernard, si Kuya mo Harold, si Kuya mo Victor,
Ayan, sa lahat ng mga kuya mo at ate mo dyan, hello sa inyo, good evening.
Kuya Oliver.
Binabati ko yung Team Discord, no? JC, Ate Jen, Clarence, Richard, Mara May, Kuya Charles, Chores, Stephenny, Nico, Jasper, Shanshan, Sheika, tsaka Prince. Tsaka binabati ko rin yung girlfriend ko na imaginary.
Gulat ako,
Akala ko totoo na eh.
Inantay namin na magkaroon na Kuya Oliver.
Pawiran na.
Practice lang, no? Practice.
Parang naglaki yan lahat ng mata.
Pomo lang, pomo.
Uy, anong pala? Special shoutout pa din doon sa isang mente ko, si Patek. Yan. Si
Shoutout din
Patek
kay
nandito
Kuya
rin pala.
Drew. Shoutout.
Si Carla.
Ala ko, nahan mo ako sa pag ng
Hello
GMG.
guys! Sige, umpisa ako dito. Binabati ko lahat ng mga viewers natin. Kung nasan man po kayo ngayon, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa live today. And to all my mentees and sa future mentees ko, hello po sa inyo. Yun lang.
Okay.
Yun lang po.
Sige. Gusto ko batiin yung mga mentees ko rin. Lahat ng moderators natin, Facebook and Discord, thank you sa support. Si Ate Choi, nagtatampo pa. So, shoutout Ate Choi. Tapos si Third din, nagme-message din sa akin. Shoutout. So, magaling na moderator natin yan. No? So, napakasipag. And lahat ng mga nanonood, YouTube, Facebook, good evening sa inyo lahat. And sige, simulan na natin ang pag-chart. Sino ba mag-share screen? Justin?
Yep.
Siguro, unahin na, which coin yung gusto nyo unahin?
Ba tayo? Kung saan happy ang lahat kay Bitcoin.
Sige, unahin natin si Bitcoin.
So ako ba unang mag-share ng insight dito?
Sige, go Justin.
Okay. Ako
Quick,
kasi,
quick analysis.
Sobrang, bullish ako kay Bitcoin ngayon. Kasi unang-una, nasubaybayan natin lahat ng move niya eh. Lahat ng move niya, kumbaga ito ay nung naalala ko nung nag-tune up tayo, di ba? We were discussing kung saan yung key level support ni Bitcoin. And shout out kay Kuya Aaron, nanalo 38,000. Galing.
Nanalo
That's
yung
our 6189, no? That our 6189. And that, for me kasi that's how powerful the Fibonacci is. No? Yung hindi ka mawawala eh. So nakita natin yung key level support line na yun at 38,500. 38,000 somewhere dito. Yung 618 line yan, no? Kala namin butas pa pababa.
Kunin mo
So,
yung fib sa 30,
30
baba mo
yan.
yan para makita.
Ayan,
mo.
yan. Sorry. So there, we were able to get this 618 line from swing low to swing high. So that is starting on a daily time frame, no? Yan, 38,900. So ngayon, nagkaroon ng bounce at lightening ng selling pressure doon. So ergo, ang nangyari, for me, nagkaroon ito sa 4 hours kasi nakita na rin tayo ng right.
Justin, palakin ng chart. Pakitanggal mo yung just for the purposes of the viewers. Tanggalin mo na yung mga nasa kanan. Yung mga
Watch list.
Okay, sorry.
Watch list.
Yun.
Yan.
Thank you. Tapos
Widescreen na.
Can you widescreen mo na ba yan? Is that already a widescreen? Teka lang let me try to full screen this. Para actually may ilalaki pa yan. Can you do it one more time kasi medyo maliit. No? Cannot be.
Ayan, coach. Ayan, yung full.
Teka lang I wanna make sure the audience will see it as well.
Try mong Pax yung
Click
sa
mo yung
upper right.
Sa
Yung
upper
sa tabi
right,
ng camera.
Tama, yung katabi ng camera. Very good.
Ito. Okay.
Yun, very good. Okay.
Aha moment.
Yan
Moment.
monument.
Alright, let's do
Ayan,
this.
coach. Yan yung naging analysis namin. No? Sinuportahan tayo ng 618 line which is yung level support natin. Kasi nakita tayo na maraming support and resistances dito sa linya na ng 6189. Ergo, ang nangyari, inangat niya na talaga, no? In intraday perspective, meron tayong malaking, nakita tayong malaking divergence dito for right hand. Kaya, tapos nagkaroon tayo ng TRBO, ayun. Dami na nag-profit. Yung ano ko, ang binabantayan ko ngayon will be yung key level resistance natin. Somewhere, which is yung 618 line din natin, of course. Yung swing high to swing low. Ang tingin ko dito, itong around 44,000 something. Which is, hindi for me, hindi malabo na pwede niyang i-retest ulit because of the, yung mga divergences. Kumbaga, parang for me lahat nag-a-align eh. Yung bullishness niya nandoon. So, for me, ganun yung technical analysis ko sa kanya. Okay guys, anong tingin nyo dito? Hello?
Potential yan, Chris. Nakubutas ka na.
Yung chart ko rin same eh. No?
Yung no?
Oo. Breakout, then nag-bounce dun sa support. Nag-bounce sa 618. So, grabe, no? Ganun ka powerful si 618 talaga. And so far, yung recent volume niya, good naman.
Correct. Kaya no? Parang parang yun yung tinake effect niya talaga yung yung right hand natin.
Yung mga previews kasi, yung mga nakaraang buwan, di ba may mga times na umangat si Bitcoin na walang volume or kahit yung ibang coins. Pero ngayon meron din, nagpapakita siya. So sa tingin mo, Justine, ano yung mga immediate resistance siguro natin dito kay Bitcoin?
Immediate resistance, ako I got it from the Fibonacci level natin. So, may mga resistance tayo, syempre, yung 0.5 line natin. Kung titignan natin yan, that could act as, for me, that could act as our resistance din. No? Kasi nakita rin natin yan, na it's acting as our strong support, strong resistance and strong support ng mga previous. No? But for me, no, basing it on the volume, the divergences, on the higher time frame perspective, possible ma-retest natin yung 618 line, no? And bullish.
Okay. How about the others? Ano yung tingin nyo kay Bitcoin? Sige,
Yan din. Same lang din yung sa Fibonacci, same lang. Pero punta tayo sa one day. Pagka pumunta sa one day, yan.
Ano ba dito?
Yan, one day. Tapos pa-zoom out ako. Yan. So, pwede ka mag-drawing dyan ng trend line dyan, ng pababa, diagonal pababa. So, simula dun sa pinakataas, hanggang dyan sa
Ganyan ko dan.
yun, dun tayo mag-start sa pinakataas.
Doon.
Okay. So yan kapag nabasag yan, that is potential na umakyat na dyan. Kung mapapansin natin dyan, ay hindi pala pwedeng banggitin yung anatomy dito, no? Guys, enroll kayo sa intermediate natin.
Kaya nga
No, enroll tayo sa immediate natin para mas ma-relate kayo. Pero doon sa mga nakapag-enroll na sa intermediate natin, these can be the potential breakout to start yung anatomy natin. So yan din. At kung lalagay mo din yung kanina na Fibonacci mo, sakto din siya dyan sa trend line na yan.
Ang line na to, no?
Yesterday once more. Diba? Sakto din siya. So yan po yung sa akin. So for it to, para sa mga position traders, pwede yan na mabasag muna yan for us to, para lumipad siya. Yan yung inaabangan ko din.
Volume-wise, medyo nakikisama naman siya. No? Yung pag-confirm niya, ganun kalakas yung 618 support natin, around 38,000.
Yes.
Denounce niya talaga. Ganun.
Sana mag-parabolic quiz sa 1 hour.
1 hour.
Ikaw, Kuya Alfie, ano yung take mo dito kay
Tingin ko
Bitcoin?
quiz, aangat pa siya. I think magpaparabolic, baka mahit yung up to 44.
Parabolic sa 1 hour?
Yup, sa 1 hour.
Pa-check nga sa 1 hour. Just
Check. Silipin mo quiz. Medyo parang sana ibuga pataas. Para everybody happy.
Yeah, this one. Mhm.
okay.
618. I think 618 yan. From high to low quiz.
This one ba?
Pinakataas yung nakakuha ko.
This one.
Yup.
Ito yung sinasabi ni Kuya Dan kanina. Yeah, sakto.
Yes,
Yun.
I think 0.5 muna siya makukuntong yan.
Correct.
0.5. At 43 something. 43,358. Sana mag-parabolic siya. Para tumuloy-tuloy yung taas. Yun lang sa akin, quiz.
Kayo, Mentor Carla. Mentor Aaron.
Yeah,
Sa akin,
agree.
tingin ko, akit pa siya ng konti. Like, gumawa kasi ako, punta tayo sa sa 4 hours. Gumawa ako ng trendline support,
4 hours.
diagonal.
4 hours.
Baka i-retest niya yon and then, sige, gawa tayo.
Gawa tayo. ELS. Possible, no? Ito, this one. This one ba, Mentor?
Yung pinakamalaki po.
Pinakamano.
Pag pa backward tayo. Ayan. And then, gumawa din ako. Tapos sinukat ko din yung swing high to swing low. Yan din ata yun, yung 0.61.
Ay, Fibonacci, no?
Yeah.
Kumbaga, this is a
Possible.
very, very critical, no? Critical resistance for us, for Bitcoin.
Ganyan yung nakikita ko.
Hindi mag-go sure. Wait, Justin, ano yung nakuha mong 618 niya? From swing high to swing low?
This one, it's around
40...
44. 514.
45.
Ay, hindi. Ito natin. Around this range. 44, 578.
44.5 something, no?
Mm-hmm.
Tama. Same din yung possible resistance kung tumuloy-tuloy si Bitcoin sa akin. Kasi strong resistance yan eh. Pwede nga mangyari talagang softline siya kasi kung makikita natin once we zoom out, dati siyang support, dating resistance dito, resistance and support. Alam naman natin kapag merong dating purpose yung 618 or 0.5 natin, talagang possible na matibay. Yun yung lagi ko din sinasabi sa mentees na always zoom out. So, possible na yun yung sa akin, yun yung charting ko din eh. Sakto, may trend line, no?
Yun nga eh. Kumbaga ako, ang na-project ko na na possible resistance which will be the 618. So sumakto naman na mayroon ding trend line na nakita naman ni Mentor.
Oo nga, may trend line eh.
Tapos nakita din ni Mentor Carla na mayroon pwedeng pag-usual which is valid naman.
Pwede siya mag-go-sure, no?
Ganda ng Kaya guys, Coach, ikaw.
Atras ka nga, zoom out ka pa. I wanted to see the previous formation of trading view. Okay. So, and then, this is daily time frame ba to or 4 hours to?
4 hours. Punta akong day.
Okay. I'm biased for Bitcoin. Maybe ask the others. I'm biased for Bitcoin. Laki na ng posisyon ko dyan eh. I will only answer one answer.
Pero ano, Kuya Justin, no, kapag titignan natin siya on a intraday perspective natin, may nagpo-form na divergence. Pero, kung titignan natin on a higher time frame, gaya nung nakita natin kanina kay daily, humihina na yung selling, no? Selling pressure.
Is it really humihina? Can we analyze that, guys? On a daily time frame, I agree kasi, pero let's just try to challenge that. Can you maximize MACD? Ayan. So yes, it's weakening, you know. It's weakening. The last can you move to the left? I wanted to see the trajectory of MACD. The last time we saw this type of selling behavior was palaki pa rin siya ng palaki, no? The selling volume is getting bigger. The last time we saw this was way back May and June of last year. Tanyo yan, yung May and June na yan.
Biglang bulusok.
So, meron kang selling volume, yes, but we have seen the selling volume increase further on the major pullback. Kasi yung nakita yung pullback na yan on December downwards. Ang tagal niyan, 'di ba? From November to December. Ibig sabihin, pag bumili ka ng January hanggang ngayon, you're trying to recuperate, no? And then if you look at the volume crayons, ang liliit ng volume for the past couple of months, lumaki lang ngayon this quarter, no? So, you guys, I'm sure you know yung tinatawag nating accumulation phase, di ba? Ng anatomy natin, So, I think this is where people are starting to accumulate some of their positions as signified by the volume. I would say be mindful of tama yung I like your resistances, no? Tama yan. Siguro we also need to look at, going down to the lower time frame. If you're seeing some left hand, i-plot nyo rin hanggang saan magre-retrace. And then kumbaga intraday, if you're doing it on an intraday, at dapat alam mo din kung saan yung mga potential bounce points, no? Kasi overall, we're confident it can go even higher. Pero position yun. Diba? It's a position mindset, diba? Yung, trade and forget. As I always say, as Jesse Livermore will say, you earn by sitting, not by trading. So, posisyon na, diba? Posisyon na yung karamihan sa inyo, mga 38, 39, 40, 41K. Pero, ang maganda dyan is, makuha ninyo yung intraday, at least alam nyo, hindi kayo kakaba-kaba, hanggang saan pwede mag-support bukod sa resistances, guys.
Check mo Justin 1 hour time frame. Then from there, you can plot trendline support.
Kasi meron din akong nakitang bearish sign sa 1 hour. Parang nagpo-form siya ng rising wedge on a 1 hour time frame.
Meron
siya.
Meron siyang
Meron yan.
Yan, tama. Then yung support yan. Yes, yan.
Saka halata mo naman
Umaakit
siya pero merong selling volume, di ba?
Yes.
Diba? Parang kumaga alam mo nang magbabagsak ng yung ng retracement na most recent niya, di ba?
Saka si MACD po natin Alam na ng mga estudyante natin yan.
Di ba nakita paakit ng paakyat before siya bumaba ng konti. Yung pangatlong retest niya ng resistance. Justin, lakihan mo ng konti. Magnify mo. Yan.
Zoom in. Palakihan mo yan. Medyo maliit sa YouTube.
Ayan.
Yan.
Yun. Di ba paakit siya ng paakit? selling volume, mapatawa siya, di ba? So, alam mo na, mag-retrace, di ba? From 42. Tsaka merong resistance dyan, no? Yung area na yan.
Around this level, no?
RSI natin, ano no? Almost overbought pa.
Overbought.
Overbought na.
So, mag-hidden na yan.
So, only, paayos lang ng konting support, paayos ng support line. So, nag-bounce siya, no? Nag-bounce, no? So, okay. So, anong basa nyo dyan? Re-retrace pa konti?
Minor drawdowns possible.
Correct. Ako, ganun din ako. Pwede magkaroon ng mga bit of retracement. No? Kumbaga, yung kanina ko ba narinig yun, niligop ng lakas bago umano. For me, kasi may divergence din. No? May divergence na rin, may left hand na entering overbought territory na rin. So, in intraday perspective, ano na muna, tawag dito. Ingat muna, no? Defensive muna. Since nakakita na tayo ng left hand.
Pero
So,
when does the left hand activate?
Kapag ito ay nagkaroon na ng
Alam na.
trendline support breakdown.
TLSBD.
Hanggat di siya nag-activate.
If ever na mag-activate, saan kaya pwedeng, ano yung mga pwedeng sumalo?
Ever, let's say,
Kasi nagkakaroon na ng mga divergence.
yeah.
So,
Isuspense na lang yung sagot dyan. Let's move on to the next coin.
So, next part 2 yun. part 2 ng ano live.
hindi, ano ba? Si Miss Rose.
Miss Rose. Oh.
You're on mute. Sorry.
Ay, hello. Sorry. Nakamute pala ako. So, I'm still hoping din na medyo umangat pa ng konti. Kasi merong susopla na 0.618 din sa around 43 sa pagkaka-chart ko.
42.
Bago siya bumaba.
This one ba yan? Mentor. Around
1 hour. Tama. 1 hour. SIB extension now 0.618.
0.618.
43,740.
43?
43.74.
This one?
Ayan.
No.
Pero depende pa rin.
Okay. Pag ganyan, no? Since pag makakita ng valid resistance, tignan natin kung magti-take effect si left hand. Ganon, suspense na lang saan yung mga possible bounce.
Ayun.
Okay na kayo? Proceed na tayo sa next.
Okay na ako dito.
Okay na.
Let's go.
Sige, I think yung next natin sino ba gusto nyo?
Ano
We
ba
have
gusto natin?
GMT, Luna, and NIR.
GMT. Luna muna.
Luna.
Sige, yung favorite mo.
Luna. Okay, Luna.
McCabe. Kayo guys, ikaw, Mentor Look, anong insights mo kay Luna ngayon?
Si Luna. Okay.
Luna.
Luna. Sige, yung iba muna.
Ikaw mentor Dan, tinitrade mo. Ay, si Kuya Oliver pala yun.
Si Kuya Oliver.
Oliver, ikaw, tinitrade mo si Luna, di ba?
Oo, yan. Bali, i-trade natin yan. So, ang bias ko dyan, teka muna. Ito pala ako sa chart mo dito. Pwede nga punta sa daily.
Daily time frame.
Pag nakita na sa daily, yun nga, untog na siya doon sa all-time high niya. Lumate magic na.
Dito, no?
So,
Ano natin?
yan. Lumate magic
Ano
na.
na divergence, no?
So, pero nagkaroon siya ng bounce dyan sa, sa ibang value. Hindi ko makikita, sorry. 77, sorry. 77, nagkaroon ng bounce. Tapos yung bounce, from there, nagkaroon ng TRBO ulit.
Dito, no? And ito, I was charting Luna, no? Ang naging bias ko dito is, ito ay nag-bounce sa ano eh. Nag-bounce ito sa... Same thing with Bitcoin. Same thing with Bitcoin. Nag-bounce ito sa almost 6.89 natin. So, in a daily perspective, this is a valid key level support. Eh, ang daming nag-support siya doon. Tapos ito yung nag-act din ng resistance
Yes,
na.
Yun siya yung pinag-bounce niya, 77, parang, ano siya, no? Yung 618 siya. Kaya,
Kunin mo Justin yung lowest.
This one,
0.5.
0.5 line. Oh, mas valid ang 0.5 line.
pero sa, ano niya, sa intraday, untog-untog na eh. Nakikita ko untog niya. So, on an intraday perspective, naglagay ako ng naglagay ako ng PIP pababa from the recent previous swing high to low.
This one, mentor.
Hindi, yung maliit lang. Pinakamaliit sa baba. Bago siya lumipad.
This one.
The next one, yung next one. Patakay mo lang.
Ito.
Tapos mataas pa doon. Yan. Nakikita ko yan na medyo lumalaban ang asset yan. Kakaroon ng rejection na dyan. Plus yung RSI mo nag-over hot na, you can possibly retrace.
And, what do you call this? Divergence perspective, meron na rin siyang ano.
Yes.
Left hand.
So, yeah.
Kuya Justin,
Gumagawa na rin siya nung wedge.
Nung ito.
Yan. Nung wedge falling. No,
Wedge.
Rising wedge.
Rising wedge, no?
Yan.
So,
Rising.
ingat na muna, no? Ingat na muna
So, pampatagdag yan sa confluence ko na, yan, meron tayong bearish pattern, potential.
Ano yung price niya ngayon? 98 ba yan?
98.40 something ko.
Teka lang. Justin, meron ka ba, are you using Mac? Or
No. Windows.
Can you zoom in? Ang liit ng mga fonts mo eh. Do you have parang control plus sign ka dyan? Para mag-magnify yung buong chart mo. Nakikita nyo ba guys? Parang liit kasi. Yan, very good. Whatever you did worked, so do it again. Yeah, yan, very good. Thank you.
So, na volume perspective din, if you look yung recent volume, hindi na siya ganun kalaki nung mga previous volume. So, may paghina ng volume and ayan ang tuturo ko din sa mentoring na si volume ay price driver lagi. So, na volume perspective, yun nga, meron ng paghina. Naturally, yun nga, may inutugan siyang 1.618. So yun.
This one, no? This, ito.
Pero good fundamentals. Overall, may maganda pang ano yan. May maganda pang galaw. Pero right now, just right now, I think na at the moment, maglalaban muna dyan sa 98.
Na rin pala. Grade B. Grade B set.
Plus, yung RSI medyo hindi na ganun kataas ngayon, no? Yung pumik siya. Nakita na rin ako ng left hand sa RSI. Yung volume histogram ng MACD, mukhang hindi na ganun kalaki ang gagawin. Liit na. Yung pa lang sa unang 3 bars na height, medyo maliit na siya.
Okay. Ito naman, kayo ano, Mentor Look, or sorry, Mentor Dan. Meron ka. Insights about Luna.
Nakamute ka, Dan.
Yung pa-zoom out ako sa Luna. Yan. Let's go. Okay. So kanina yung sa Luna, no, nakita ko na parang sa one day niya, merong, yung sa one day kanina, di ba meron kayo na hit na parang, ano ba yun? 618? Yung sa taas. Pa one day nga lang din ako. Ayan, yung ano na yan, yung maliit na box na yan.
This one?
Oo.
Yeah.
Yan yung box na yan. So magiging crucial na part yan for me. Yung part na yan. Kasi if in any case na tumalbog yan dyan, na nauntog yan dyan, it may create a lower high na.
What's that price? What's that price, guys?
104?
104, okay.
104 ba yan, Pax?
102, 102.
102, yeah.
Agree ako kay Kuya.
Ayun. So, para magtuloy-tuloy yan, it should go up diyan sa ano na yan. Kasi pagka nauntog yan diyan, it will create a lower high na. That will create a lower high na gano'n. So possible siya na bumaba diyan once na mauntog siya diyan. So
possible dun pa lang yung TLSVD.
Ana?
Possible dun pa lang mag-activate yung TLSVD, no?
Yeah.
Saka pwede siyang, once na mauntog siya, pwede mag-form ng ng head and shoulder.
Oh, hidden soldiers.
Pero guys, so I don't disagree, no, but let me offer some people may look at it at this way. So if that corrects, pero MACD confirms, what's your bias? Pag nag-confirm ng correction, pwede bang mangyari instead of a correction is another breakout with MACD confirming?
Yes, possible.
Possible.
What do you guys think?
Yes, possible.
Nakamaganda.
Yun
Sa akin,
yung
bullish
maganda.
ako so I'm hoping.
Possible
Ganda
siya.
rin
Pero, can you guys zoom out? Hindi ko maintindihan yung
Zoom
chart
out. Zoom out.
Okay,
Ayun.
okay, got it. So meron siya previous
Ayun.
May previous anong
Previous
price yung 618 na yan? 102.
Yes,
102.
102.
Interesting. Galing ah.
For me, it's strong resistance. Strong resistance yan.
Justin, can you zoom out isa pang beses? There you go. Sige, stop ka lang ah. Okay. Isa pa, one more. So, last year, grabe si Terra Luna, no? If you go back the memory lane, $20. $20 last year. And backed up by a billionaire investor, si Kwon, KWON, ano? And now buying more bitcoins to be a fiat currency collateral, 'di ba? So they're doing a collateralization of Bitcoin para to drive stability, which I'm not necessarily a fan, pero it's interesting, no? On a very big picture, what does this tell us? Retracements is fine, pero on a big picture, do we think this is overpriced, or do we think that this can retest 119 and move upwards? Or hanggang dito na lang muna siya?
Baka coach magkaroon ng minor retest pag na-reach yung 0.618 niya. Then it will go up pa. Kasi si MACD in one day, possible maging bullish eh. Malapit na rin siyang tumulak pa pataas.
Pero pwede bang umulit yung nangyari dyan nung December to February 2022? Look at that. Nagkaroon ng bounce on 6118 niya, di ba? Sige, bababa ka. Pagbaba mo, di ba nagkaroon din ng MACD.
Yeah.
Nagkaroon din siya ng MACD from red to green, pero biglang nagkaroon ng another red, di ba? Nabuo yung big hand, yung big picture pullback niya. Oh yeah, exactly.
Yes. Yan po yung
yan din yung nakikita ko.
Sabay partners. Sabay
Okay.
Sabay pa.
Magkabody nga kayo.
Tapos meron pang isa, yung kung magdo-drawing tayo no sa yung sa one day, yung ano na yan. Yung ano ba yan? Yung pa-diagonal, yung pa-TLSBD. Pa-TLSBD dyan. Sa starting from iangat mo pa ng isang higher high yung first point natin, Pax. Yan. Yung ano na yan, yes. So possible na mauntog rin yan dyan. Tapos matulad yun doon sa previous na yung tinuruan nila ni Coach. Oo.
Pwede.
Ako possible may bearish movement na si Luna. Kasi, Justin, pwede kang pumunta ng weekly. Ayun, no? Kung titignan natin si MACD.
Meron na left hand to.
Crossover. Pababa. Meron na siyang left hand.
Anong candle yan dulo na yan? Sorry. Kailangan ko talaga ng salamin. Sorry.
Parang parang...
Hammer ba yan? Hammer? May wick siya. May wick siya. Okay.
May wick.
Parang doji.
Yun lang yung ko kay Luna. Possible bearish. Correction na mangyari.
May left hand no?
Yes. May left hand sa 1 week.
Okay.
Pero
One week yan.
bounce on 618 yan, tama? Kuya?
Pwede. From swing low, swing high.
So normally, pag nagbabounce sa 618, ang alam ko, there are chances na pwede niyang i-hit ang 1.618. Yun lang naman. For the fib, lang naman. Fib.
Yung 618.
Yeah. Normally, pag nagbabounce sa 618,
Aangat no?
umaangat hanggang 1.618.
Pero yun, sa akin din yan eh. Parang bullish pattern yun. Magkakaroon ng mga higher lows.
Maakit pa.
Nakikita ko sa weekly yun. May mga higher lows, higher highs.
Pero kailangan sundin niya muna siguro to.
Kailangan na
mangyari.
Kasi kung iaano natin, kung i-correlate natin yung one day, yung nakikita nating head and shoulders nun, yun yung possible na magtuloy niya ang retracement leg na yan eh. Then, di ba? Yun yung nakikita ko dyan eh, na yung possible head and shoulders natin sa one day, yan yung magpupush pababa ng 1 week time frame para makompleto yung retracement leg at mag-create siya ng another higher low. And from that higher low, pwede tayong makapasok na doon just in case na magkaroon ng doon siya mag-bounce.
Okay. So
Yun po yung
guys,
nakikita ko.
so anong pwedeng diskarte dito? Wait on a 618 bounce or wait on a 102 breakout? Pero before nyo sagutin yan, magko-commercial lang ako. Isa lang commercial. I will be right back. And sagutin nyo ako sa mga nasa chat room. What do you think? What is the right position? Mukhang wala nagchat-chat, nakikinig lahat sa atin eh. So, i-break ko muna yung ice and let me go on a quick commercial. I'll be right back, guys. Thank you.
The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors come. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened?
This has been your man, Stan. Join me for another day in our city of dreams.
Very, very big news. So please go ahead. I don't want to steal the thunder from you. Floor is yours, my friend.
Thank you, Coach. Like just now, Coach mentioned, game guilds are an integral part of the GameFi scene right now. I mean, we all knew that YGG is really big, Axis is really big, but they kind of help each other become big previously, you see. So
Right.
with more organized scholars and gamers and professional players coming into the scene, so that's the importance of guild. So all GameFi protocols want to work with established guilds, right? But there's only so many right now. And recently there's a lot of guilds that come out and say, hey, I'm going to be a esports guild, blah, blah, blah. But we know not all of them is as nice as they sound. But right now, we're going to be partnered with one of the best esports guild in the market. They are called Battle Arena. Right now, right now, they are Southeast Asia's largest esports arena. They are based in Kuala Lumpur. The place is 70,000 square feet, and they have hosted hundreds of competition from PUBG to LOL, Dota. Team Secret visited them before being crowned. So it's very amazing, and all the prize money has paid out more than 3 million, and they have worked with all the established brands in the world, and they are going to come into the GameFi scene. And the first game that they choose to work with is Age of Tanks. So we're very, very fortunate to clinch this partnership with them, and we're going to announce it official next week. So we are expected to see a boost in the numbers, and not just numbers. They're going to bring in the esports resource into the GameFi scene. I'm Neo. I'm the founder and CEO of Age of Tanks.
I've heard a lot of great things about Age of Tanks, and you and I were talking offline. I'm very happy. This is the show that you chose to give us what's up and coming, the very first. And Neo, why don't you tell us about what is Age of Tanks and what is coming over the next couple of weeks?
Well, we have been in this for almost 6 months, and 6 months in the crypto scene is really, really amazing.
Okay, so why don't we go with the actual game itself, if you don't mind. There you go. Guys, I've tried the game myself. It's so easy. You see my name, it's Coach Miranda here. On start, and it's easy as that. Click on the actual first frame, and it will count. There you go. And you see I'm already a player. I have a lot of tanks already. And guys,
and improve it.
Take a look at this. This is, oh wow. Take a
chapters and levels. There are 5 chapters with 5 different levels. So each chapter, the difficulty level is different. So it will reward you with different rhodium as well. So in more than 30 news as well. The Kalkan TV is from Australia. We were very honored to be interviewed by them.
Very good.
Yeah. So these are the that's already partnered with us.
Alright, we're back guys. This is Coach Miranda Miner again. Nag-iwan tayo ng question kanina. Ano ba magandang posisyon in Luna? Pwede ba tayong mag-bounce on a 618 area or buy on volume on a $102 breakout? Before tayo balik sa ating show, batiin ko lang ang ating mga nanonood today. John B. 888 based sa Singapore. Hello, Joe Pen. Thank you. Brian, guys, salamat. Prince, thank you. Aldrich, Alan92, Josel, supposed to be private. Prince, Tots, James, Reneboy, John. Oy, si Captain Budge, sabi niya, bull all the way. News perspective. Wow. May pagka-fundamentalist to si Captain, ha. Oy, ano bang airline to si Captain Budge? I think Cebu Pacific siya, no? Look.
Iba coach, bago daw eh.
Oy, pag PAL ka, sabihin mo kasi ako palista ako, hilig ako sa PAL eh.
Yung girlfriend niya. Na FA.
Boyfriend niya?
Girlfriend niya.
Okay. Nilinaw ko lang
FA. Alam ko PAL.
Okay. There you go. Balik ko na yung screen natin. So, girlfriend niya PAL. Flight stewardess yung girlfriend niya, di ba?
Oo.
Or pilot din. Okay. Maganda. Very good. Okay. So, we're back. Thank you. Binabati ko lang. Sabi ni Nad23, nakatutok to sa pakikinig. Thank you. Sabi ni Jerry Enriquez, wait for reaction on 618. Si Gwen for the win, puro Bitcoin icons. May mga comments ninyo dito. Tutok na tutok. Bias daw siya kay Luna, sabi ni Captain Budge. Alright. Hi Jonas. Hello. Prince, ikaw talaga sinasabi ko sa'yo. Minsan lang ako sa Pampanga eh. Wala. Di ko makakalimutan to. Grabe. Just joking. Paki-shout out kay Oliver, my batchmate. Sonel Gonzalez. PJ, kamusta? Uy, guys, may nagtanong sa akin sa Twitter, can we answer this question? Hindi daw sumasagad yung kanyang Fibonacci's. Maybe Justin, can you do a quick demo of Fibonacci? Tanggalin mo yung mga oscillators mo. Quick demo of how to plot fibs. No, hindi ko kasi nakita yung Fibonacci niya, medyo masakit yung mata ko eh. But can we just answer that question? One of our listeners, sabi niya, how do you plot? Hindi daw sumasakto. So, ang rule number 1, if you're plotting Fibonacci's, kunin mo yung, yung swing low mo to your swing high, di ba? So from your end of your swing low, then to end of the impulse, pataas, kunin mo siya, yan. So keep in mind, yung 1.0 na kinuha ni Justin dito is the 43.43. Yung pinakatuktok is 119, no? So paki-double check yung Fibonacci. If you're listening right now, paki-double check yung Fibonacci mo. Because baka ang hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung source o yung zero mo dyan, yung pinanggalingan ng fib, baka nalilito ka lang, no? So, I hope na-answer ko yung question mo. Alam ko si EJ, si Doc EJ may question din. At itanong mo na ngayon, EJ, para masagot namin. Okay? Oh, baka daw sa magnet tool. Okay. I-unclick mo si magnet tool. Ituro mo nga yan. Oo, correct. Very good. Hindi raw sumasakto yung fib niya eh. So, hindi ko nakita yung chart kasi sobrang labo sa yung mata ko. So, yun na lang. So, good point, Captain Butch. So, yung magnet tool, tsaka yung make sure na week to week yung ginagamit mo for Fibonacci. Okay? Alright. So, what is the answer, mentors? Yung kaninang question kanina, anong take ninyo dyan? What do you guys think of Luna?
For Luna,
Ako,
we
coach.
wait.
Ayun, wait lang din. Kung di ka na nakasabay ngayon,
Sabay ka ng bagsak.
oo, hintay ka ng bagsak na.
Yun lang
That's
naman.
the safest way na. Bagsak or kaya pagka nag-break siya, ng pataas, pag nag-break siya ng nung 618 na yan, wait ka ng CCC dyan. Pero kailangan mo din talagang i-consider yung sa higher time frame din talaga.
Okay.
Pricing wedge.
Okay. How about the rest? I will not do that trend line, Justin.
This one goes.
Silalim.
I will not do that.
Yan.
Extended line.
Parang rising wedge yung pinuform nito eh.
Wedge
Correct.
rising.
Parang rising wedge na. Tama yung 1.6. 1 feet kanina na correct.
Okay. Pwede. So, ingat muna sa pagbaylong.
Yes, that's correct, coach. Ingat sa pagbayilong.
Okay.
Ingat-ingat muna.
Okay. What's our third coin, Kuya Luke?
Third coin will be
GMT?
GMT. Let's go, Justin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uy, congrats. Miranda Minor Raccoon NFT, 500 followers. Good job.
Good job.
Congrats.
Thank you, marketing team. Napakaganda naman ng poster ninyo. First year. Galing. Thank you, thank you.
Yun. Biglang bagsak. Bagsak si GMT.
Dami na nag-take profit dito. Natatano parang yung buong klase natin tinitrade si GMT.
And then shoulder yan.
Ako nag-TP na ako dyan, guys.
Same.
3 point. Sinort ko yan, ha. I shorted 3 point.
Oh, yun na.
Bumababa.
O, isa pa. Sayang yung short ko.
Bubuhos na.
Pero profit is profit, guys. Profit is profit.
Yeah.
Kayo naman. O bakit kaya bumaba yan? Ano kaya meron kay GMT?
Meron niyang left hand kay 4 hours.
Yun na. Yan.
Resistance.
Ako kaya Justin, yung, di ba nag-ano siya, nag-oras. Ayun.
Isang baba, 5%.
Sinasalo siya ng
GMT.
nag-oras.
So anong pwedeng sumalo dyan? Actually, na nagkaroon siya ng hidden divergence on
Divergence.
3.80. Actually, mataas pa yan eh. Pinakadulo ng wick. I-maximize mo nga yan, Justin. Lakihan mo para makita mo yung dulo. I think nag 3.9 pa yan or 3.89. Yan, thank you. Yun, 3.80 something, no?
3.85 yata siya.
Yan. So nag-left hand na doon, 'di ba? Nag-hidden well, not left hand, almost hidden
Divergence.
hidden divergence pababa na kasi sabi ko mababa na to. Short. Yan.
Mickey Mouse.
Pero
Mickey
ano,
Mouse.
possible pang bumaba yan. Pwede ka pumunta ng 4 hours, kuya.
Sa 4 hours. Aba, trading booty.
Pwede po.
Goody. Ayun, no?
Yan.
Bakit hati? Gmmg.
Oh, nakapili.
Anong hati?
Sige, trust mo.
Links
Trust
tayo.
mo.
Saan ba kayo nagtitrade?
Yeah, trust mo.
Hindi kasi meron ding sa yung mga naunang charting.
Chart. Sige, tingnan natin. Si Binance ba yan?
Try natin kay
Kucoin
Binance.
daw, kucoin.
Kupon.
Yun.
Yun.
May
yun.
chart din pala ako kay GMT sa Binance.
Ayun, no?
Ayan, no?
Kita na, oh.
Ay, grabe talaga yan, no?
Yari kay Bingx.
Sanang support, guys. Sanang support.
Ay, support din, no? Hindi ko sinachart sa trading, sa Binance yan. GM.
Yun, so, ang possible na magiging support dyan, yung pagka nagano ka dyan sa pinaka swing yung
low.
yan, swing low na yan. Yan lang, yung swing low lang na yan.
Ito.
Swing high.
Hindi, yung sa
Recent,
yung latest tala, yung recent, yung pinaka yan. Yan. So, possible na sumalo dyan will be yung 0.5. Yan ang talagang bias na sasalo talaga dyan kasi nandun yung dati niyang resistance eh. So, mag-oras yan. Kapag bumaba yan, yan yung 618 yung susunod na
Critical.
bababa. Oo, na critical ano niya, critical na ano ba
Level.
yan? Oo, yun.
Key level.
Critical na key level niya. Tapos, kapag umano na siya dyan, pag ba nag-a-approach siya dyan, yan, pwede yan na pwedeng dyan siya mag-bounce. Dyan siya mag-bounce para mapakita na nag-aano siya. Alam mo yung higher, low, yung higher, low, lower, high. Ay, higher, low, higher, high. O gano'n.
Sayawan mo na lang to, Kuya Dan, no? Nakalong dito.
Saka laki din
Sayawan
ang
na
left
lang.
hand niya dyan eh. Oh. Yung gano'n. Laki din ang left hand niya dyan eh. Oh. Kung titingnan mo. Yung left hand niya. Ayun sa akin. Kailangan mo mag-bounce yan dyan or doon sa 618. Sa 0.5 or 6.
Ako, Justin, for me, punta ka sa 1 hour. Tapos, pwede ka mag-downward extensions.
Gamit ako extension.
Oo, downward extensions. Yan. Tapos, lagay mo ng line sa 618. 1.618. Ayan, pwede kong umabot dyan around ano yan eh. Tama, 2.7. Or pwede ka tayo mag-tip in between. Ganyan. Around that level. Tapos, kung big picture naman, kung kukunan natin siya ng retracement, mag-plot ka ng fib mula dun sa low. Buray mo na yung mini fib na yan. Ayan. Punta ka siguro ng 4 hours para medyo maganda-ganda yung view natin. And mag-fib retracement ka low to high. Yung lowest na dyan. Almost same dun sa 618. 0.618, di ba?
Same actually.
Oo. So, yung level na yan, around 2.7 area. Marami ring, oo. So, yun yung magiging ano natin.
Laki ng left hand yan.
Support natin dyan.
Tinarade nyo ba yung left hand na yan?
Okay, bili nga ako siya. Na-trade kaya lang ano eh. Yung Justin pwede din niya mag-oras sa 618 niya dati na resistance.
This one, no?
Pwede ka yung swing high, swing low niyan. Pwede mong kunin. Yung all-time high niya. Yan, swing high, swing low. Yun. Yung matagal
Ang ganda ng resistance niya dyan, di ba? Sa taas.
Oh, yan
Yung all-time high.
Actually, same lang, no? Nung ginamit natin yung fib extension.
1.618.
Sa 1 hour. Almost the same. So, may mga common, no? Common.
Ibig sabihin.
Tsaka yung all-time high niya, check mo, Justin, yung taas. Ganda ng untog.
Ay, nga, no?
Sakto, no?
Sakto eh. Parang sinukat.
Grabe si Fibonacci, no?
Daya.
Daya. Parang dinaya.
Fibonacci.
Cheat code yan eh.
Oo.
Tesoyam.
Ano?
Ang padami ng pera, no?
Sabi ng buhay.
Good job. All right. I think we're able to TA this coin. Let's go to the next one, Kuya Luke.
Last one, no? Si Nir.
Par.
Par.
Kay Nir.
Di ka ba kanta dito, Kuya Dan?
Baka ma-copyright.
Wag na.
Susunod na next time.
Okay lang kumanta. Basta wala lang melody. Kanta ka na.
Malala.
Lyrics lang daw.
Ayan, medyo iba yung tsura ni Nir. Ano yung analysis niya dyan, guys?
Other mentors.
Yo, Oliver. Ate Carla.
Here.
Sa ano ko guys, nag-ano ako ng one day. Punta tayo ng one day.
This one.
Tapos nakakita ako ng... sige, punta ka ng one day.
Ito, one day.
Ayan. Tapos, draw ka ng cup dyan. Ano, pandang. Pili ko ayan. Then, ako ng swing low to high, tapos check natin kung yung sa golden ratio natin.
Dito lang ba sa recent? O sa pinaka...
Yes po. Diyan lang sa recent.
This one.
Yan, saan ba naumpog yan?
0.5.
0.5. Tapos, punta tayo ng ng 1 hour. Punta tayo sa most recent, Actually, bago, yan, ang sukat ko dito, nag-bounce sa sa 0.382 yung ginawa kong trend line. Yung bago mag pure green, yung maraming green. Hindi. Taas mo pa konti. Yan.
This one?
Sige, try natin. Teka.
Baka ang kinuha mo yung pinaka-reason is just this one.
Recent. Sa 4 hours ko kinuha yan. 382 bounce. Sa 4 hour pala. Sa 382 siya nag-bounce. Yung particular, Sige, baba.
Ayun.
Ayan.
Ayun.
Yun, 382.
Nag-bounce siya sa 0.38.
Sa 4 hours. Tapos nag-create siya ng dyan ng jump part niya, nag-create ng right hand 4 hours. Kaya yun, dire-diretso din siyang umangat din.
Umangat niya, no?
Somewhere in siya nauntog ang sukat ko sa sa 1 hour. Sige, punta tayo ng 1 hour.
6182.
Tingnan natin. sa pool.
Daya talaga ng fib.
Daya. Alam na di.
Pero yan, sa mga ano, ingat na lang din sa long na. Sa akin. Sorry kung ano kung iba. Kasi na-chart din namin
Actually,
yung... Yeah,
Ah,
sorry.
sorry.
Sige, go lang. Parla.
Wait lang. Ito yung ano natin. Yeah, oo, tama. Ingat-ingat din sa long, guys. Kasi doon sa ano, I'm checking din the 4 hours, bearish. Tapos may nakita pa akong inline dyan sa, yan yung 382 ata yan. Ano bang linya yun sa akin? Lower time frame.
May ano na rin siya mukha na rin to ng left hand.
Left hand, o kaya bumaba, no? Ayan, tama.
Pero hindi kaya bounce on retracement lang yan?
Dito sa
Around 0.5 ata yan. Try mo mag-fib low to
Check
high.
natin.
0.5.
0.5 line. Intraday perspective.
Intraday perspective.
We do backtesting.
Inaano lang siya naumpog siya somewhere in pag binaktest mo.
Mm-hmm. Marami rin nagtitrade kay Nier, no?
Yan, kayo guys, anong ano nyo dyan? Tingin nyo kay Nier.
Senior puro may respeto ng 618. Pinagigitnaan siya ng 618 na resistance and support.
So,
618 yung on a bigger picture natin. And kung kukuha ka ng swing low, swing high. Hindi kuya, ibaba mo pa konti. Yung April. Yun. As in swing high, swing low. 618 din eh. Nagigitnaan siya ng 618. Consolidation.
Tama ba kaya mo ka?
Yun. Yes. Correct.
How about the others? Kuya Alfie.
Kay Nier, parang far.
Parang far pa.
Para malayo.
Parang malayo.
Parang may nakatagong babagsak siya.
Babagsak? Bakit? Ano yung ano ba?
Parang meron siyang hidden.
Saan yan?
So 1 hour ba to?
1 hour ba yan? Oo,
This is 4 hours.
4 hours ba yan?
I think yung hidden na ata na sinasabi ni Kuya mo Alfie, yung sa yung sa 1 day. Ayun no, same resistance.
Parang
Yeah.
May support ako dyan today.
Mickey Mouse.
TLS BD.
Yan, tapos kung aangat tayo sa 1 week, kung aangat din tayo sa 1 week, makikita natin na para na siya magfo-form na siya ng double top ng Mickey Mouse dun sa 1 week natin. Ayan.
Yeah.
Diba? Tapos kapag from that swing low to swing high, pag tayo, yung neckline niya, ang possible double top na yan is our 618.
This one, no?
Na-chart namin kanina ng...
Swing low to swing high?
Yesterday once more, and daya.
Pero good volume eh.
Oo.
Kaya umangat
Yun pa. So yun lang yung naano ko, yun lang yung nakikita ko din.
Bullish
Yun lang din,
cross.
oo.
May left hand na ba, Justin?
Meron na
Wala.
yan.
Meron na.
Meron.
Yes.
Saan?
Kahit ang
Saan
mga
yun?
yan.
I
titigil
think
ka niya.
kaya maganda yung volume kasi sellers are taking profits na, I think.
No, I think later I'll discuss the fundamentals yan, guys. What maganda volume.
Oh.
Mm.
May fundamentals pala.
Actually, wala pa akong nakita left hand eh.
Hidden.
Yan.
Equal high.
Hidden?
Mm. Pati yung sa one day niya, ganyan din.
Hindi ba nag-agree lang si indicator?
Yung volume na.
Hindi, yung doon sa mismong niya, yung clump.
Ako sa
na yun.
recent.
Oh, sa recent.
On the recent, candle, meron ng Baga, same price. No? There's no significant changes sa price. But,
Parang nagko-conscious siya, tapos biglang ibababa. Parang gano'n.
Okay.
Meron na siya. Meron na siya sa weekly. Kung itututok natin yung MACD mismo dun sa candle, weekly. Meron na siya eh. Yung pulang kandila. Yung unang-unang pulang kandila. Kung tutok na tutok yung gagawin natin. Meron na eh. Try mo, ayan, sige. Tapos, baba mo kuya dun sa pulang kandila. Hindi, I mean,
left hand ba? Left hand?
yun yung natin. Yan. Hindi, etong
Ano ba?
Wait. Anong date? January 24. Na red candle. Yan. Yan. Diyan magi-start paangat.
Paangat.
Oo. Kasi kung titignan natin, di naman naka-level na yung MACD. Yan, diyan tayo start. Yan yung tail. Tas yung head yung pinakamataas. Kaya for me lang Kaya possible yung left hand niya na nag-aano. Kung tutok na tutok yung gagawin.
Yeah. Pero sa akin, bias ko, equal high. I-respect na itong resistance level natin.
Kuya Oliver, ikaw.
Near, bias ko dyan bababa na. Pagka, ayan, nakita ko rin yung double top. Then, tingnan sa 1 hour. Ayan, pakizoom out. Ayan. So, yung neckline na yun, nakikita mo, nagre-retest na yung malaban na yung yung price. Nahihirapan ng
Basagin, no?
Oo, nahihirapan ng basag.
Head and shoulder siya no?
Shoulders din yan. Ang bias ko dyan is bababa na.
Nire-retest niya na to, no?
RSI. Yung RSI, umuuntog siya sa 50. Pagka naglagay tayo ng 50 line, ng line doon sa 50 ng RSI, umuuntog na siya doon. Yan. Nagre-retest na siya doon. O possible pa 30 na yan.
Okay. Alright.
Ikaw, Miss Rose.
Rose. Yeah, I was about to ask Rose.
Go,
Ako
Rose.
din, since nagko-consolidation pa kasi sa akin sa 1 hour ko. And yung ginawa kong PLSBD na trend support from day, hindi niya na talaga binubunggo pataas eh.
This one ba?
Nag, um, usad mo pa dun sa 1, 2,
This one.
3 na week na last week.
Ayan.
Ba't iba yung ano mo? Daily, no?
Or probably dito, kinuha mo. Hindi naman.
Hindi. Magkakapantay yung pinakadulo ng red week ko ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost 5 yung nag-ano.
Ay, makikita rin natin.
Nire-rate siya
Basta
resist.
dun sa... naka 1 hour ka pala sa daily.
This daily.
Naka-daily ka ba? Malabo na nga mata natin. Sorry. So, ayun. Feeling ko, paano na rin to? Pababa na. Kasi, pinipilit niyang, bungguin yung, resistance na 0.618. Yes, ayun. Ayan.
Ayun.
Perfect.
Okay. All right, mentors, good job on charting. Siguro before we wrap up our show, sabihin nyo naman, i-convince nyo naman yung ating audience, bakit ba importanteng mag-charting? Why is it important to do charting in trading? And it's good to know na kahit anong tingnan natin, we have an alignment, following the same system. Although iba-ibang interpretations natin. It's a good to know aha moment or epiphany. But convince them, why is it important to do a TA? And also siguro convince them to do mentoring kung di pa sila nakapag-mentoring. Anyone? Mentors? Who wants to answer the first question? Go ahead, sige, Luke.
Unahin ko na, Coach. Very important mag-chart, very important para sa isang trader na i-analyze yung coin or kung ano man yun, kung nasan man kayo, crypto, stocks, forex. Very important para malaman natin kung saan tayo pwedeng magplano. So, planning and charting kasi magkaiba. Iba yung nag-chart tayo, iba yung nagpa-plan na tayo for execution ng mga trades natin. So, for me, maganda rin siyang gawin para rin makita natin kung maganda bang i-trade yung coin na yun, for example. Dito rin natin kasi makikita yung mga grade A coins eh. Kung merong mga grade A setups, meron din tayong mga grade A coins. So yung mga charts na nire-respect yung mga, for example yan, yung Fibonacci levels natin. Diba kung naririnig nyo kay coach or sa amin, merong mga sexy charts, diba, or sexy coins. Yun yung mga masarap i-trade. Kasi nire-respect nila yung mga support and resistances natin, yung mga Fibonacci golden ratios natin. So ayaw natin, wag natin, ayaw natin i-trade yung mga magulo. 'Di ba? Yung tinatawag natin na choppy market. So hangga't maaari yun yung layuan natin. Ayun, from there, once na makapag-chart tayo, doon na papasok yung pinaka-planning natin for executing a trade. Kung ano man, kung intraday trader ka man, scalper ka naman, or swing position trading. So, kaya napaka-importante din. And bukod doon, yun, technical-wise, nalalaman yun, nasa na ba tayo sa market, nasa na ba siya, near support ba siya, near resistance ba siya, ganyan. So, speaking technicalities, yun lang naman, Coach.
Okay. Alfie, meron kang message sa chatroom.
Ano yun?
Basahin mo daw, shout out for you.
Shout out. Oy, Kuya EJ, may mentee. Pa-shout out, Kuya EJ. Iba ka talaga, Beshi.
Ganyan pala si Kuya mo, Alfie, pag sininig siya shout out, no?
Gumagalaw eh.
Si ano ba yan? Yung EJ Cruz ba yan?
Yeah, si Doc EJ.
Nakita ko yung comment niya, sabi niya, basahin ko lang coach, no? Sabi niya, shout out kay Makong. Tama na sa shitcoins. Since January, sabi mo, enroll ka na. So, sino ka man, no? Makong. Enroll ka na, Makong.
Oo.
So, baka friend niya yun, no? Sige, Kuya Alfie, ikaw.
Ayun, I mean, for me, coach, bakit maganda ang charting na kailangan ng isang kagaya natin as a beginner? For me, para siyang pagkain, coach. Na kailangan mo sa pang-araw-araw, magbibigay sa'yo ng sustansya. Yan. Parang for knowledge, for feeding you as a knowledge. Parang ganun lang siya. And as sa charting, parang di siyang your investment in learning and your investment for your futures. Ganun. I mean, yun lang, daily charting will help you so much to understand the market. And mas maganda kapag nag-chart ka, sasabayan mo na rin ng meron kang kapartner or merong taong mag-guide sa'yo or mag-coach sa'yo. Kaya mas maganda mag-enroll na kayo sa mentoring para maitama yung mga bagay na sa mga nalilito pa tayo sa pag-chart. Yan. Yun lang po sa akin, coach.
Okay.
Salamat.
Bakit importante magkaroon ng trading body, Aaron?
Yun. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng accountability partner. So, kailangan meron tayong different insight din. No? Hindi naman palagi na tayo yung tama. So, kailangan natin humingi din ng, ng advice on our fellow na trader. No? Na para nagbe-brainstorming kayo kung ano bang bias nyo on that specific coin, on the market. Alam nyo yung gagawin nyo. No? Hindi lang, kumbaga hindi ka nag-iisa. Meron kang body-body na mapagtatanungan. Hindi na mapagtatanungan, syempre, yung tulong talaga. No? So, maganda. So, ayun, kung meron kayong friend na interested sa crypto or dito sa market, enroll na kayo para may kabady ka na. Yan.
Okay. Carla and Jen D. You guys are proving that wala sa gender ang trading. Itaas nyo ang bandera ng mga kababaihan. Kaya, no? Hindi sa puro lalaki yun, no? Girls can thrive this industry. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes po, coach.
So, encourage ninyo ang mga kababaihan na mag-aral ng trading.
Sige,
Ate Carla.
ako na muna. Okay. Kasi ang coach, ang women empowerment talaga, no? So, I really believe na kung kaya ng lalaki, kaya din namin. So, from there, ang trade naman, wala naman yan sa gender eh. Kumbaga, lahat naman tayo able to learn, able to, kung talagang striving to learn ng isang tao, tsaka lagi niyang hawak yung deepest why niya. So, kaya nga lagi nating kumbaga baon natin palagi yun, deepest why natin. Para mag-push at makuha yung talagang gusto natin. Regard sa gender, regard sa age, diba? Kung senior or peer group or mas bata, kung estudyante, depende kung kumbaga, ang weighing lang, coach, is are you interested or are you committed? Kasi if you're interested, for me, pagka interested ka, pagka magulo na or ayaw yung feeling mo, down na down ka na, puro negative na yung nai-input mo sa sarili mo, susuko ka na eh. But if you're committed, no, kahit ano pa yan, so sabi nga nung pina-follow ko, no, si Miss Barbara ng Shark Tank, sabi niya, habit of trying. So, di ba tayo, kumbaga lagi ko yung ini-encapsulate sa mind ko na kung gusto nating maging magaling, aral lang ng aral. Kasi mapupunta din tayo doon. Kanya-kanya lang tayo talaga ng ng bilis or pace na dapat talagang i-sustain kung gusto natin.
Tingin ko nga,
So, guys,
parang this, sorry to interrupt, Carla. Just to your point, i-reinforce ko lang sinabi mo. Tingin ko we need to have a separate episode on women traders, no? 'Di ba?
Pwede. Agree.
Diba?
Agree.
Kasi parang we will be
Power
inviting women traders sa show. Kasi parang before, kasi ito totoo lang, no, karamihan talaga sa traders, marami sa lalaki yan. And yung mga unang ito, again, this is a very old story, no. And I don't subscribe to this idea. Sabi kasi nila women are emotional, by design, no? But I don't agree. In fact, there are even better traders, women than men. So I agree with you. It's not about gender. Trading knows no gender, ika nga. So go ahead, Carla. Go ahead.
Siguro coach, in general kasi ang babae talagang emotional, no? Pero kaya naman niyang i-control in time. Hindi lang sa trade, kumbaga sa buong life perspective natin. Kasi ang human daw is really an emotional machine. Hindi lang babae, hindi lang lalaki. Pero maybe siguro babae a bit overthinker. So kumbaga sa pibon natin is nakikita namin yung mas clear na na mga lines. Kumbaga 'di ba sa mga sa pag pag nagche-chart napaka-clean, 'di ba? So medyo a bit dated sa babae. Parang ganoon yung gusto ko lang
And Jella, 'di ba? Jella is a lady trader, no. All right, thank you, Miss Carla. Miss Rose.
Actually, almost parang same lang din ng kay Ate Carla. Sinabi niya na din yung mga gusto ko sabihin. Actually, yun nga, regarding sa market, meron akong retweet na magandang saying. Kung pina-follow niyo ako sa Twitter, so follow niyo na ako sa Twitter, pati sila coach and the other mentors. Konting endorsement. So, ayun, the market, hindi siya racist, and we can all play. I mean, we can all start on the same playing field. Kumbaga, everyone has a chance. Walang kinalaman yung gender, age, katulad nga sinabi ni Ate Carla. Everyone can start. It's never too late or never too early to learn the market and trading. And yun nga, siguro tama si Ate Carla, kaya naman namin kontrolin yung emotion. Lagi nila sinasabi na, masyadong emotional yung mga babae, pag may red line, ganyan, kakabahan na yan, hindi na yan kaya, Well, ganun talaga ako sa una, pero alam mo, kung nakokontrol nga natin yung jowa natin, di ba, makakontrol din natin yung market. So, woo, woman empowerment,
The
gano'n.
powerful words of Miss Rose.
Yes, kung nakokontrol natin ang mga lalaki, kaya din natin kontrolin ang market. So, girls, let's trade. Laban tayo. Ayun lang po ang masasabi ko.
This deserves a separate show, guys. This is a one topic altogether. We'll invite the women traders here, mentors, no.
Tsaka coach, kung mapapansin nyo, sino sa atin yung actively working out tsaka nasa gym? Silang dalawa, di ba?
Silang dalawa pa yung nag-gym.
Kakagaling ko nga lang sa gym.
Sakto, nag-workout ako kanina.
Babalik na kami nila Kuya Dan sa gym. Babalik loob na kami. Sa gym. Kape lang talaga, no? Kape. Alright.
Yeah. May nabasa ko, coach, sa chat natin. Palaging tama ang babae. Agree ka ba dun, Ate Carla?
Agree ako dun, agree na.
Kung ayaw nyo nga daw ng away, tama kami palagi.
True.
Grabe.
May mga na sumasakit na yung ulo dito ng mga mentors. Okay lang yan.
Yes. Of course. Happy wife, happy life.
Wala si Nel. Si Nel. Wala sa akin. Kaya si Nel.
Hindi ko mag-disagree siya.
Oo, di ba yung nakaraang
Joke
last
lang.
time, di ba? Yung sinabi niya yung pagka daw, Ano daw
Lady
yun?
crypto.
Pag nagte-trade, pagka mag-aaway kayo ng girlfriend mo, gumano na agad bigla.
Gravy daw sa kanya yun pag mag-aaway sila lang.
We shout out daw CJ Bautista. Shout out sa trading buddies ko, Gmmg Zillionaires. Love you 3,000. Kung kaya nila, kaya din natin. Walang bibitaw. Very good. Kaya
Oh,
niyan?
yeah, yes, sir.
Shout out din po kay Ate Lady Crypto. Magandang gabi. And happy trading.
Oo, gawin natin to, no? Yung gawa tayo ng episode for ladies, no?
Yes,
Na mga
maganda.
traders,
Sila
lady
Zella,
traders.
sila.
Mga lady mentors, iwanan ko kayo dito, magkakape lang kami ng mga boys. 'Di ba, boys? Kakape tayo, yung may konting jack.
Of course!
Jack Coke.
Kaya mo na sila Rose dito tsaka si Carla mag-live, no? Isang magpahinga man lang tayo, no?
Protein drink sa amin ni Ate Carla.
Oh, tapos yung may may creatine pa, no? No, may creatine. Of course.
Creatine. All right. Hey guys, so again, thank you mentors for being a really good topic once again. Again, I think we're offering our community the sense of discipline at kung bakit kailangang mag-charting, no? And I think we're very successful in doing that. Let's continue to do this. Let's help the community. And I'm sure you're all with us, no? It's guys, it's a very siguro not to be very technical, iwanan ko kayo ng konting inspiration, no? Yesterday, I was trading and of course, I took profit, a little bit of 50,000 nakuha nating profit kahapon, and one of those days nung pwede mong sabihin na my trading is done. I've already earned this amount, no? Pero kung titingin ka ngayon sa salamin, titingnan mo yung sarili mo, isipin mo, can I stop, no? And should I stop? As a matter of fact, I did. No, I was telling this to some of you. There were a couple of days I really did not trade. And I don't mind if I stopped trading. Bakit? I don't see a setup eh. I'm sure mentors, you agree with that. If you don't see a setup, you really don't trade. And there's nothing wrong with that. No? But when you see a trade, when you see a tradable setup, you put your money into action. Di ba? A brave money gets the money. A brave money gets you more money. But make sure that brave money is a planned trade. Does that make sense, guys? Diba? I mean, you put your money there. You let it play for you. These are your money soldiers. So at the end of the day, 90% waiting, 10% TA. That's really true. Pero pag nakakita ka talaga ng trade, you really earn. Diba? You really earn. And tulad niyan, magkano na si Bitcoin? 42,000, magkano na? 42,000... Bumalik ng 42, 43, am I correct? 42,525 now, if I'm not mistaken. So, at the end of the day, a lot of discipline, a lot of control, a lot of patience. You don't hear that today kasi we're all pure charting. But those are part and parcel of what we all have today. Ako, naging blessed lang tayo kasi I'm surrounded by people who, while they are great in what they do, they have the heart to help. So, sabi ko nga sa chatroom kanina, I think my work is done here. But I will continue to support you, mentors. Alam niyo naman, we have our more meetings. But, nakakatuwa lang at ang sarap isipin we're all part of this journey together. No? That we are in trading, all of us. At napakasarap mag-trade. Di ba? Di ba guys? Ang sarap mag-trade because you earn. Di ba? Yes, you lose. Totoo yun, you lose. But you also earn. Di ba? And when you earn, that gives you that magical feeling na, you're in the right track. It validates you. Di ba? It validates you as a trader and as a human being. Pag tumama yung TA mo at nakakuha ka ng profit, pag tama-tama ng TA nagbiberde na, alam mong tama yung ginawa mo. Mas dual yung confirmation nun sa'yo. Di ba? Parang kang money machine. Kaysa naman hulaan mo lang. Kanina I was watching Billions again. Nire-repeat ko yung season eh. Si Taylor Mason, she hired quants. No? And during the deliberation, sabi niya, it doesn't look like the desired results of our algorithm is working. So ang sabi niya doon sa dalawang quant niya, do backtest but change position sizing to vary the potential result. Sabi niya. Change the position size to vary the potential result, sabi niya. Tapos, only to find out that Bobby Axelrod will wipe out the idea of getting quants. No? Sabi niya kasi, bakit ba hindi effective ang robots? Why are the robots ineffective? Because robots only execute what you feed it. Robots are not human beings that can source information with gut feel. No? So, tayo mga tao, we have a gut feel and we have guys, have you ever meron akong konting sa inyo, konting palaisipan. Isipin nyo ngayon na kayo ay nakaupo sa isang upuan at kayo habang nakaupo sa isang upuan ay nag-iisip ng isa pang bagay. Okay? At yung iniisip nyong isang bagay na yun is kayo din at yung yung iniisip nyo nun, di ba, ako, iniisip ko nandito ako, ito ako, nag-iisip ako na ito yung pangatlo at alam ko kung ano yung iniisip ng pangatlong ako. Can you guys do that and just imagine you doing that? Do it right now.
Ano yung coach inception?
Isipin nyo lang. I'm going to give you...
yun?
So ngayon, nakaupo ka ngayon, nag-uusap tayo. Isipin mo that you are sitting on a chair sa harapan mo. Andun ka ngayon. At ikaw, yung taong yun na ikaw, nag-iisip ka din na ikaw ay sa isang upuan naman. At yung taong yun na ikaw din, nag-iisip din na, isipin mo hanggang 3 beses. And tell me what you feel.
Medyo kinikilabutan ako, coach. Iba na imagine ko nanonood sa akin.
Nagagawa nyo, di ba? Guys, nagagawa nyo, di ba? Can you do it? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? You can do it, right? Very few animals can do that. Human beings can do that. Di ba? We can imagine that we are in a situation and we can imagine that that person imagining that situation is on another imagination. Di ba? And so on and so forth. What I'm trying to say is, we as human beings, we can come up with many imaginations, creativities, permutations, etc. Sinasabi ni Bobby Axelrod. Well, not just him, but yung mga tao niya, sila Dollar Bill, that quants, while they're good, garbage in, garbage out. It spits out data based on what it's being fed. Diba? Although it's good, kasi whatever is programmed for it to run, there's some level of accuracy. You just need to adjust. Diba? But, for example, nagkaroon ng malaking problema on inflation. Imagine Netflix, bumagsak ng 30+%. Ang pangit ng kanilang sales projections. Can the robot predict that? Yes or no? No. Diba? They will not know what's potentially going to happen because they're obviously executing based on what is in its hand, no? So yun ang sinasabi niya. So sinasabi ko yon because nakakatuwang isipin na we as human beings, we can be a learned trader. We can take risks, calculated risks. No, and every time we take a risk, and every time we trade, and every time we win, it validates us that we have the right system and we are on the right track. Huwag niyong kakalimutan that our system should not stop you to trade. No? It should not stop you to trade. It should allow you to make and take calculated risks in trading. Now, it's okay to lose sometimes, but overall you are a net gain for the whole month, and after all, that is what trading is all about, right? So anyways, marami inception daw sabi ni Brandon eh.
Coach, okay lang po ba? May pa-shoutout lang.
Oh, go ahead, sige.
Pa-shoutout po kay Doc Ami.
Oy, is she
Thank
listening?
po.
Is she listening?
Ako, Coach, dahil daw po doon sa naging video natin sa kanya interview, marami po nag-enroll kay Gmmg University.
Thank you. Thanks, Doktora. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thanks, Doc Ami.
Doctors in Gmmg community. Siguro minsan gawin ko din yan, mga doctors invite natin. Si Dean Chang, anesthesiologist yan, guys. So, doctor din yan, listening to us.
Si EJ din, Coach.
Si EJ, dentist dyan sa Pampanga. Si Doc Amy. Yung mga list of doctors tayo. No? So, marami na tayo mga doctor.
Si Renato, Justin.
Renato.
Sir Jun. Oo.
Sino?
Si Doc Jun.
Oh, yeah.
Menti.
Oo, yeah. Oo.
Naging menti rin namin. Sa Pampanga din yung coach.
Daming mga Dean, are you there? I think Dean is here. Alright. Okay. Mentors, paalam na tayo. Alas 11 na pa lang haba ng live natin.
Shoutout din kay Harvey. Kay Menti Harvey po. Graduate.
Oo nga pala, coach. See you intermediate tomorrow and Saturday.
Oh yes, intermediate batch. See you
23
tomorrow.
and 24.
Batch 23 and 24, you are in the safe hands of our mentors. And I'll be there as well. And looking forward to meet each and every one of you. If you're not yet enrolled and you're listening to our channel, please visit us in www.globalmirandaminer.com. Mag-iingat po kayo sa mga taong gumagaya po sa akin. Sa Instagram, kaka-message lang sa akin ng isang follower. Basta pag may nag-message sa inyo, tagalogin ninyo. Kapag gumagamit ng mga salitang kalakal, hindi po ako yan. At humihingi po sa inyo ng Bitcoin, pitikin nyo sa ilong. Hindi po ako yan. Bakit po ako manghihingi? Mayaman na po ako. I'm just... So, kayo po bibigyan ko ng Bitcoin. Hindi po ako manghihingi ng Bitcoin. No?
Kalakal.
So, pag kayo po ay gumamit ng kalakal, alam nyo na. Okay? All right. Okay. So, guys, maraming salamat. Anything else you would like to say? Are we good, mentors?
Pa-shoutout daw po sa batch 18 intermediate. Yan. Kila Kuya Drew tsaka kay Kuya Carlo. Gusto nila si Kuya Dan daw mag-shoutout eh.
Ano?
Ikaw daw mag-shoutout, Kuya.
Kay?
Intermediate batch 18.
Sa intermediate batch 18. Hello, guys. Hello sa mga intermediate batch 18 natin dyan. Let's go!
Yeah.
All
Good job
right.
sa inyo. Dami may po.
Alright, yun lang po, Coach. And
Okay.
Ayun,
Okay,
sa
mentors, thank you so much.
Team
Kuya Luke,
Divers.
thanks for the leadership here. Rose,
Coach.
thank you. Justin, Alfie, Luke, Oliver, Dan, Aaron, and Carla. Happy birthday, Nel. Wherever
Happy
you
birthday,
are,
Nel.
stay where you are. Drink for us.
Happy birthday! Happy
And
birthday!
have a good rest of your night, guys. Maraming salamat.
paano ba yung
Goodbye.
Bye, guys!
See you tomorrow.
Thank you. All right. So let me just pull up my screen. Just give me a second, everyone. There you go. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa inyo pong pag-suporta in our channel. And thank you to all of you for listening. If you're new to our channel, please click on subscribe and like our video for today, where we promise we will be making a lot of these types of videos kasama ng ating mga mentors. If you're new to our channel as well, please visit us in our website, www.globalmirandaminer.com. From there, you could actually see our courses, beginner, intermediate, mentoring. Please start with the beginner class, and please go with the mentoring and intermediate, and then the mentoring class. If you are a foreigner listening to us right now, like I have a couple of foreigners who approach me, please email me at coach@globalmirandaminer.com if you would like to give you a tailor-fitted course, no, for you in English language. All right, with that said, maraming salamat. Abangan nyo po ako sa Texas. I'll be there very soon, and congratulations to the Gmmg community for the first year anniversary. Maraming salamat po, and God bless you, Miranda. I love you 3,000.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.